So here we are again. Apparently this channel has become about dental hygiene and companies keep sending me toothbrushes, so if you're fed up of these videos, honestly I don't blame you, but if you're not, stick around because I've got two new electric toothbrushes from a company called SmartSonic Plus, and one of them is for children. I'll just open it up really quickly. So this is the first one and this is the second one, and I'm pretty sure it's quite easy to guess which one is targeted for adults. I must say this one has a very minimalistic design to it. This one not so much. Which one shall we go for first? Let's go with Mufasa first. So there's nothing on the sides. On the back it just tells you what's in it. So you've got two toothbrush heads, a docking port and a manual. It's rated at IPX7 waterproof resistance, which means that if you really wanted to, you can use it in the shower. There we are. Alright, wow. That is yellow. Like that is banana yellow. That is the yellowest yellow I think I've seen. This one's called the T7W. It costs at the moment around $80. I think it's about half price. It comes in two colours, pink and yellow. Now holding it, you know, it's got some weight to it, but it is plastic, so not the most premium feeling, but then again it is for children as well. It's got a nice design, well, nice for a child I think, and it's got a fake little Superman on it. Now I'll go into these stars later on because that's actually quite a cool feature that it has. It comes with two bristles. I think these are the same type, and then it comes with a charging dock. Now I actually really like the charging dock. I like this clear aspect to it. If it had a light in it, that would have been really cool, but I don't think this one does. So as you can see, it comes protected. So the toothbrush body has a little cap to it, and obviously the tooth bristles have their own case. So I've had a quick look at the instruction manual as well, and I think I've managed to figure it out. So to turn it on is quite easy. You just press the plus button and it will start vibrating, and to change the intensities you just hold the button for a few seconds, and then that was a medium intensity and you can change it again. That'll be high intensity and then back to low. So what's annoying is that you can't actually see any indicators, so you don't really know what intensity you're on. You can tell by the sound, but it's not always that clear. Now I'm going to mention the stars. So the stars, they light up when you're brushing your teeth, and if you brush your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes, one star will light up. So I tried this one out already. I didn't film it because I'm not going to put you guys through that, but I went through two 2-minute cycles, and so now you can see that the first star has lit up. Now I'm on my third cycle, so the second star is flashing. Eventually by the end of the week you'll light up everything on the toothbrush, which is a good way of motivating kids to brush their teeth, but also remember whether or not they've brushed their teeth. Now I've turned that off because that was getting quite annoying. So I'm just going to set it up in the charger. Let's just see how it looks when it's charging. Like all electric toothbrushes, it's all conductive, so it's wireless, which helps give it water resistance. And when you put it in the charge, it gives a nice flashing indicator to let you know that it's charging. Now what's also interesting is that this toothbrush doesn't have consistent vibrations. When you turn it on, you can see it has like a vibration pattern. It goes up and down, which is kind of cool. I'm not sure how much that would help the cleaning process, but we'll roll with it. Also, when you first turn it on, it actually starts off quite slow, and they've said that they've designed that purposefully so that the toothpaste doesn't just go flying off when you first turn the toothbrush on, and that actually happens to me quite a lot, so I can appreciate that. Alright, so let's open the adult one, the one that most of you are probably here for anyway. I've got my trusty little knife. I do kind of like the packaging of this. It's not as flashy as the previous one I reviewed, the Fosu toothbrush, but you know, the minimalistic design of this sells it as well. Although they need to make it easier for it to unbox. So this one's called their T11 series. Wow, that is very black. I feel like MQHD might like this one. Their T11 series is their premium series, I think. It's currently got a 40% discount on their website and it's going for $85. It comes in two colours, pink and black, but black is definitely the way to go. So let's have a quick unboxing of this one. I actually really like the design of this. Although it's difficult to come up on camera because it's so matte black, you can't really see the features of it. It's not trying to be bougie or anything like that. It's very subtle. It's not metal, It's got like this soft plastic texture to it, but it's not a cheap plastic. Like the children's toothbrush, it comes with 2 heads that are also black, which is great, so it matches, and the charger. The charger is exactly the same. Let me just double check. No, it's not. So the charger actually has a black base to it as well. But everything in this toothbrush is black, even the bristles. Like, it's a full matte black toothbrush. This is, if MKBHD were to create a toothbrush, it would be this. It's got that same slow start to it to help prevent that toothpaste being thrown everywhere. It's also really quiet. They rated it as, I think, 40 decibels. And you might not know what that sounds like, but I've got my current toothbrush, which is this Oral-B one here. That's really loud. This, however, is much quieter. Even if I put the Oral-B on the lowest intensity that it goes, it's still quite loud. To be honest, what I really like about it is the way it shows you the mode. So when everything's off, you can barely see anything. When you turn it on, and you see the different modes, you got clean, white, polish, gum care, then you get the different combinations. And these different modes give it like the weirdest vibration patterns. So then you turn it off again, and then it all disappears. I really like that feature of it. It just makes it look so clean. Again, this toothbrush will take 14 hours to fully charge. I couldn't see on the packaging how long the battery life lasts, so I contacted SmartSonic, and they let me know that it's guaranteed for 70 days, which is quite impressive. We're talking about, you know, months here without having to charge it. Overall, guys, I think these are 2 really cool toothbrushes. You know, the children's one is really interactive with all of its like star features, makes it kind of fun to use. This one makes me feel like I'm Batman. Although it's not metal, on the outside at least, it still feels really premium to use, and probably makes a really good gift as well. So if you are interested, the link will be in the description below. They're really kind to also give me some discount codes, which I can give to you guys to get $10 off either of these 2 products. So if you're interested, the link is in the description below. Check it out. If you like this video though, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next TK Tech video.